sorry.
It's steady, watch that eddy to your right. Danger sign.
Danger sign.
That's fishing line.
Fishing line.
Which strangles and entangles you apart. He's a natural in a class of his own.
This is wonderful. I am feeling overall.
Look at you. You have every reason to hold your head up high. As it free from all trouble, your path stays nice and dry.
But my bottoms and bubbles keep paddling like a clapper. Just keep paddling. But your clapper loves beaming to be dreaming and home.
Well, here, dear. I have a great idea. Let's go for a dive. What is here, dear? Those are just fish. Fish are bread, not foods. Although they are delicious on a bed of rice with some seaweed and soy sauce. Well, the pace,
But I want to go faster.
it's not a race,
It's a skill I can master.
and clearly you are nearly fit to drop.
No, I'm not. I could go on all day.
Have a break.
I feel fresh as a day.
Your legs must ache.
No, they don't. Are you crazy?
So maybe, now my baby, we could stop.
One lap of the lake, be okay. To race, we paddle or try.